reusing and recycling of paper, plastics, and glass waste. Grade 3 Science, Matatag, Quarter 1, Week 6 by School Rocks Nation. What kind of waste do you see in the picture? We usually dispose our waste by placing them inside a trash can. It is better if we segregate them just like the picture above. Waste, such as crumpled papers, old notebooks, folders, and cardboards, can be put in a trash bin labeled as paper. Objects that are made out of plastic and will be disposed of should be put in a trash bin labeled as plastic. Broken objects made out of glass should be disposed immediately in the trash bin labeled as glass. Did you know that there are some objects that we can still reuse and recycle instead of disposing them? Reuse, using something again without changing it. Recycle, turning old things into new things by changing them. Reusing and recycling objects keeps the earth clean by not throwing things away and making less trash. They both save materials because you don't need to make new things from scratch. What are the different ways to reuse or recycle paper, plastic, and glass? Clean and tidy papers can be cut and used as notebook covers. These can also be used in arts and crafts. Plastic bottles. They can be made into beautiful plastic flowers. They can be cut in uniform sizes, painted, and displayed as unique desk organizers. They can be used also as materials in making plant boxes for vegetable garden. They can be cut and used as pots, both for flowers and vegetables. They can be cut with design as pots for hanging plants. Some of these plastic bottles are cut and formed as animals for garden decors. Empty glass bottles. They can be made as decorative flower holder. Colored glass bottles can also be made into wall decorations. They can also be painted and hanged on corners as decorations. They can be arranged on the cabinet artistically.